The Brake to Start system, or BTS, is a critical safety feature in all modern Mazda vehicles. This system ensures your car is in a safe state before the engine can start. The BTS system consists of 5 main components that work together. Let's examine each component and understand their role in the system. Here we can see the actual brake system components in a Mazda vehicle. The brake pedal position sensor and brake light switch are key parts of this safety system. The engine control module, or ECM, is the brain that processes signals from the brake sensors. This electronic control unit manages the start authorization process. Now let's see how the system works step by step. When you press the brake pedal, a precise sequence of events occurs to authorize engine startup. Modern Mazda vehicles from 2022 to 2025 feature significant improvements to the BTS system, including enhanced sensor technology and better diagnostic capabilities. Understanding how the BTS system works is essential for diagnosing issues when they occur. Any failure in these components can prevent your Mazda from starting, but knowing the system helps identify the problem quickly. Mazda BTS system failures fall into 3 main categories. Understanding these categories helps target your troubleshooting efforts effectively. Follow this systematic 5-step troubleshooting approach. Start with simple visual checks before moving to more complex diagnostics. Step 2 involves checking the fuse box. The brake light fuse is typically a 10-amp fuse that can blow due to electrical surges or component failures. The brake light switch is located near the brake pedal and is a common failure point. Testing and replacing this switch has an 85% success rate for DIY repairs. Corroded wiring connections are a major cause of BTS failures. Look for green or white corrosion on terminals and clean or replace damaged connections. DIY repair success rates vary significantly by component. Simple fuse replacement has a 95% success rate, while sensor replacement requires calibration and has lower success rates. Regular preventive maintenance can reduce BTS system failures by 60%. Focus on annual brake inspections, cleaning electrical connections, and keeping software updated.